as many defects as possible. All right, I've got the glue on. If you remember, the clamps need to be on the outer 2 inches of our panel, not inside here. On the very outside edge, we need 2 clamps, and then we'll put 1 down the middle. We need good clamp pressure on that outside edge. I'm going to hold it down as I apply the pressure. It tries to slide on you a little bit with the glue in there. Did you notice I only put glue on one side of the joint? That makes for a stronger joint because the dry side is attracted by the wet. If you have glue on both, it just slides all over the place on you. Okay, and it's a big mess. So you just glue one side of the joint. I'm gonna look and see how I'm doing. Still looks straight. I can add some more pressure. And my 3rd clamp in the middle. Noticed I have my clamps set up about the right size. Had them wide open so I could apply lots of pressure. All right, let's check it again, see how flat it is. That's not bad. This one's raised up a little bit. You do have to use the mallet quickly. It won't move after a minute or 2. You won't be able to move it. Okay, we're flat enough. The planer's going to take care of the rest of it. So we see the glue squeezing out, right? You guys remember the last step? We have to wash the clamps, don't we? We don't want this glue to stick on our clamps. So we don't need to wash all the glue off the board. We're washing it off of the clamps. I'm going to bring it up. See all that glue? We got to get it off there. So I'll have a rag over at the sink. You'll go over and wet the rag and bring it over when you're gluing up. Get all that glue off my clamps. Then you're ready to stand your panel up because the next class is going to need the table, right? We'll stand it up here in the corner and we let it dry for a minimum of 2 hours. We want it overnight if we can, but I've only got so many clamps, right? So usually at the end of the day, the last class has to take the clamps off of the 1st hour class. All right, so that's the gluing process. I'm going to nix my video here.